Good morning, students. Today we'll study slope of demand curve and elasticity of demand. Slope of demand curve and the elasticity of demand are the different concepts. So, but we'll study those in combine. The slope of demand curve shows the total change in quantity demanded in relation to an absolute change in on price of the commodity. It means just like suppose this is the price line 20, 30, 40, 50, okay, and this is the quantity line 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now suppose that if the price was 20 rupees and the quantity sold was or quantity demanded was 30 rupees, so it will be shown like this. The price is 20 rupees and the quantity demanded was 30. Now if the price rises to 30, what would happen? The quantity demanded would go down. Maybe it goes down to 20. So it will be in this way. This is the slope of demand curve. And what does it show? It shows that as the price increases from 20 to 30, okay, so what is the difference between the prices and what is the difference between the commodity? Just what we can see is that the delta P, change in price, is 10 rupees. We have changed the price from 30 to 20. So 30 to 20, that is the negative 10, minus 10. Then what happens is that the quantity, delta Q, quantity increases from 20 to 30. So that is plus 10. If we see it in other way, if the prices rise from 20 to 30, that is plus 10, then the quantity that goes to 30 to 20, that is minus 10. So either the price rises or the quantity. Either the price remains in the positive field or the quantity. Both do not remain positive at the same time. Now, how much the slope is there? That can be shown as slope of demand curve is the change in price, that is minus 10, upon change in quantity, that is 10, minus 1. Now the elasticity of demand. That is minus delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. So change in quantity upon change in price into P upon Q. Now what we observe from here is that delta P upon delta Q is the slope of demand curve, and the delta Q upon delta P is 1 upon slope of demand curve. So it can be written as minus 1 upon slope of demand curve into P upon Q. So minus 1 upon the slope of demand curve that we have obtained is minus 1. So minus 1 into P upon Q. The initial price was 30 and initial quantity was 20. So that will be 3 by 2. Now, so what we find is that while slope of demand curve is simply the ratio delta P upon delta Q, the elasticity of demand is the multiple ratio. The slope of demand curve is a ratio, is the ratio of delta P and delta Q, and the elasticity of demand, it is the multiple ratio of the change in quantity demand and the initial price and demand, or the price and quantity. So this is how we can find out the elasticity of demand and the slope of demand curve. In next video, we will study about some distinct situation of the elasticity of demand, and then we wrap up the chapter. Till then, study these chapters, and if you have any doubt, you can come to the school for the queries. Thank you.